Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Ice Touch-Up on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project on your device, and if you use the Ice Touch-Up, just go to the lower bar, tap to the Touch-Up option next to the Ice, and here you can find the third option, the Ice, and just click to the white icon and just pull on the line, and you can use the Ice Touch-Up. And if you finish the set of the string, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.